Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to a new video on XLM. Wanted to do a quick update on that. I covered the daily for a couple of days last week because of some big news. Like it rallied quite a bit right here and it almost got a major bullish breakout after some announcement was made. I'm not sure when that announcement is coming out. I think in the next 5 or 4 days or something. I haven't kept up with it too much. Yeah, 5 days. So 14 hours ago it was 5 days. It's going to be interesting, all right? But usually an announcement like that ends in some sort of a buy the rumor, sell the news type of effect, right? So that if it's actually published, it needs to be very, very big if we want to see another rally. Like if the news is only like if the news only is great utility for XLM, but not more than that, like not huge, the price will probably fall. That's just, given my experience, what I've always seen with these announcements, all right? But that does mean that there's still potential leading up to the announcements because it's buy the rumor or buy the announcement and then sell the news. But we'll talk about that. Like I said, I covered it for the last couple of days. I thought it was interesting again today because it's quite bullish again, even though the market, the market was quite bullish yesterday evening as well, but the market right now is dropping a bit and XLM still looks fine. So yeah, that's what we'll talk about. Before we do that though, I do want to mention briefly that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals, but you also gain access to my to a chat room full of traders, which is very, very valuable, and to my trading guide. So if you are interested in that, consider joining via the links down in the description or the pinned comment. But for now, on to XLM. So so the thing is that right now XLM, like I said, there's quite some bullish momentum here. It actually started before the bullish momentum for Bitcoin started. So I'm tempted to say it's not that correlated. And then the volume is still very high, but it has dropped down a bit. And definitely since that initial rally, it has dropped down by almost 50%, like 40, 35. So now the big question is, given that the market structure right now is very, very neutral, because, and you can also see that on the chart probably, but just to highlight it, there's bearish momentum here, supported by bearish momentum in the markets right now, especially Bitcoin trying to break down below 26,200. And then there's bullish momentum caused by the announcement and just coming from XLM itself. So we have to wait, I would say, for some sort of a breakout right here. And currently both breakouts are possible. So I would say the best way to analyze XLM right now is to see it as this, like those trend lines when the weekend hits and the volume drops down, those trend lines will probably not be respected. Like trend lines are very trending indicators and they work best when volume is high. In the weekend, volume just drops down. So I would say we are waiting for XLM for either a bearish breakout below 12.15 or a bullish breakout above 12.90. And at this point of time, unfortunately, I have to say that I think we have had all the bullish momentum because of the announcement, and that it's more likely that XLM will follow the market right now in getting a bit more bearish momentum and drop down below 12.15 to drop back down towards 11.50, all right? 11.50, 11.30, which is this big support level down here. So I would say this is the most likely scenario. Now, is it impossible to still get that bullish breakout? No, of course not. I could be wrong. And if that happens, we'll get up to like 13.60 and 14 cents. It's a possibility, but like I said, I mean, given that the volume right now for XLM is not really peaking, and given that Bitcoin really is close to getting a bearish breakout right here, I would say it's more likely to drop down. But like I said, I mean, if it stays in this area for the next couple of days, and the announcement is actually huge, it will get that bullish breakout. Let's be honest. All right, so it's perhaps better to wait for that and make moves and trades based on that. But for now, this is kind of my view of XLM right now. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.